Friends, Sam here. In this video, I'm taking one question. I'm coming from Java background. I do have like 4 or 5 years of experience in Java, but now I feel stuck up in my career. I cannot see opportunities on Java in the market. What should I do? Now, Shiva asked this question to me, and I took the whole background from Shiva, right from his degree, his experience, what he has done in Java, what is his current company name, his designation on the paper, everything. And after collecting that details, I created step by step career roadmap for him. First thing I talked to Shiva is that he has to move from technology, which is Java, to the product based career. Product means like Salesforce, Tipco, MuleSoft, or IIB, or these are all products. So product based career give you sustainable career as compared to technology. In technology, you have to keep it learning, keep it upgrading, uh, after every 6 months mostly you have to learn new things in technology. That is not the case with product. That's what I explained to Shiva. Product, whatever I learned 10 years back, still I am working on projects related to that project like Tipco or MuleSoft and all. So from so many years I'm using it in the industry. So product based career gives you long lasting career, not like technology. Okay. So another thing what I have asked Shiva, is he good to move from Java? Of course, he wanted to move away from Java. So I suggested him MuleSoft development. First thing, MuleSoft is developed in Java. So for Java people, MuleSoft is really the product to go. Okay, so I'm not saying that you have to do Java coding in MuleSoft, but definitely for Java people, MuleSoft is like very easy product to learn. And it is drag and drop product. You don't have to write rigorous coding. You will be developer rather. You will not be programmer. So you have to do configuration. Some code you have to write here and there, but that is not the Java code really. That's a different language code and it will not be as complex as Java. So, and another thing, as compared to Java, MuleSoft is hot cake in the industry. MuleSoft has great set of opportunities. So what I have done, I have given like multi-step plan to Shiva. That step one, what he has to do. Step two, right from learning MuleSoft till acquiring the MuleSoft developer job. And trust me, he does not have to approach industry as a fresher really. Okay, so my model makes you 2 years equivalent professional in 3 months. So that plan I have given you, and actually I transform Shiva to MuleSoft developer. Okay, so guys, if this story resonate with you, if you find similarity, if not in Java, if you stuck up in something else, maybe .NET, maybe some other skill you got stuck up, you're not getting opportunities in the market, then ping me. I'm giving my WhatsApp number over here. Ping on that WhatsApp number, chat with me, and I will also create the step by step career roadmap for you like Shiva. Okay, and that will be personalized roadmap for you. For Shiva, I suggested MuleSoft to you. For you, I will have some different suggestion maybe. Okay, so depends on your background, depends on your aspirations, depends on your degree, depends on your experience, your roadmap will be different. Okay, so ping me on the WhatsApp, and I will get some more details from you, and then I can create the roadmap for you. Okay, so go ahead, do that and take advantage of that. I already gave my WhatsApp number over here, so ping me anytime. Another thing, I started Sam's video series. Once in a week, I send valuable post and game changing video or something once in a week on your WhatsApp directly. I don't bombard your WhatsApp, just once in a week. And for many people, it got proved game changer in clearing interviews and all, just my free video series. So I'm giving the registration link. Go ahead and register for that. And stay tuned, stay connected with me every single week with the valuable post. Okay, you never know what can be game changer for you. I hope you like this video. I'm always around if you want me to create the step by step career roadmap for you. Just ping on the WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.